Welcome back. You're watching Headlines Now. 23-year-old African student Yannick's father has finally got a response from the Badal government. His son was brutally beaten and has been in a coma for nearly 3 months now. Yannick's father says he had delivered 2 letters to the Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal but didn't get any response. Badal has responded now, saying that he didn't know about the matter and he will extend his full support to the family.
I have a lot of problems because I am here for 2 months and a half. I can't talk to my son, he's in coma. So I am alone here. I can't talk to my son. It's a tragic situation.
And what do you want from the Punjab government? You have written to the Chief Minister. What exactly do you want?
I need financial assistance from the Punjab government.
Are you happy with the investigation carried out by the police into the beating up of your son?
I'm not happy with the investigation of the police because after 2 months and a half, the criminals have to be arrested.
I today called the Commissioner of Police under whose area this whole incident took place. He informed me that after the incident, 2 people who were the main accused in the case had been arrested. The case has already been charge sheeted and put to court. And I've asked him now that if there are any other persons remotely connected with them, catch them also.
And now what next? The father says he's written to the Chief Minister and so far nobody has got back to him.
I've asked the Chief Secretary to examine whether the letter has been received in our department or any of our departments at the moment. If it has, why hasn't the reply been given? If it has not, contact the father immediately and see what is his requirements, what is his demand. Then accordingly, Chief Minister will take a decision.
Moving on, Hong Kong customs officers have made the city's biggest ever cocaine bust, seizing 649 kilograms of the drug worth $98 million. Customs officials said that the drugs were in a shipping container that arrived from Ecuador. The container was one of a batch the US Drug Enforcement Administration had flagged up to Hong Kong officials for further inspection. Customs officers followed this shipment as it was driven to a collection point in Hong Kong suburbs before arresting the driver and 2 men that they believe are members of a local drug syndicate.
其實咧，今次咧就係一打開個櫃門，就見到啲可卡因擺咗喺度啦。咁我哋初步我哋唔排除咧喺南美方面嘅國家咧，可能佢係貨櫃碼頭啊，可能有啲工人自己擺落啲咩？呢個我哋仲要跟進。呢啲案件就反映出我哋嘅成效。但係咧，我哋會確保香港執法機關係確保香港唔會成為呢個毒品嘅中轉站嘅。
And what looks like a dig at Dhoni, Virender Sehwag has said that India won the World Cup because of the team's form and not just because of skipper MS Dhoni's captaincy. Speaking on the sidelines of a cricket academy's inauguration, Sehwag said that both the World Cup wins for India came because of a collective effort. Stating that he has no fitness concerns now and was all geared up for the upcoming series, he also added that the entire nation would miss Sachin, but he has the right to pick and choose which series he wants to play. 6-time champion Roger Federer wins the Wimbledon semi-final against defending champion and world number 1 Novak Djokovic in a nail-biting encounter. Federer overpowered, scoring 6-3, 3-6, 6-4 and 6-3, and with this he has ensured his entry into the 8th Wimbledon final. Federer will face the winner of Andy Murray versus Jo-Wilfried Tsonga in Sunday's final. And that is a wrap on this bulletin. Stay tuned to NDTV Hindu for more news and updates.